The easiest way for me to get this thing to the low note lever to drop is to take it out and put a arc in this back lever. This back wire here is what trips the low note lever. And once you put an arc in it, it will bypass the pin that it sits in, which is the same pin as the gong. And I don't have the gong in yet. I just want to show you as it is tripped. Both the high note lever and the low note lever are in the same section between the two pins, sharing the same space, which allows the high note lever to go off first, which is the longest lever, and then the low note lever. So now I have to put the gong in, and the gong pin will catch here. So the gong will go first, then the high note lever, and then the low note lever. So let me do that now. Like I said, you're supposed to be able to take the main gear out and move it. And I've done that. It's just that it's a pain in the butt because this entire train, the cuckoo train, gears come out when you separate the plates. So the easiest way for me is to do what I said, put an arc in this bottom pin here that catches the low note lever, that trips the low note lever. Now be careful, if you bend this wire too much, you could break it, and you don't want to do that. I put the low note lever in underneath the high note lever pin, so I got to redo that. I don't know if you saw what I did, so I'm going to show it to you. The high note lift lever pin right here was up in the air when I put the low note lever in, which you could do. But then nothing will function because the high note lever is up in the air. So make sure you put it in correctly. Anyway, I'm going to put the gong in and then put the bird back on and see what happens. Put it back on my stand and see if it functions properly.